You want some worms, right? Okay. Be nice, everybody. Be nice. Have you ever had a million things to do in the garden and you know you need to get to them, but you just don't have the time? Well, that's me right now. I have a million things to do everywhere, but I'm making time for the garden because if I don't get this going, it's not going to start growing, and winter is coming. If you're just joining me, I am building a off-grid homestead with my husband. We are looking to become more self-sustainable, and that means growing our own food. So I'm so happy that you're here. If you are not new, welcome back. My name is Jess, and you're watching American Roots. All right, ladies, I gotta find gardening stuffs. Looking for my garden bag. All right, so I came back with some shovels, proper tools. You know, that always helps. See what we can get going here so that I can keep my asparagus bed pretty true to what it's been. I'd like to keep the size going. So my goal, like I said, was to get this squared up. So I'm gonna dig all this out. So I need to finish weeding this area a little bit here. I'm gonna finish squaring it up, roll some fertilizer on it, and put some hay down. Hi, are you back again, my sweet girl? Are you back again to help? You're such a sweet girl, babe. Are you here to help? Yeah, you came back? Two days in a row, you came back to help?
Well, tell me about your childhood.
What do you see? Anything you want? What?
Scrapes on your knee.
What, sweetheart? What?
Well, tell me about those wide eyes.
My sweet.
The mistakes and places they've seen. Tell it again. Tell me that story. I wanna sleep in it. Tell me the part where we started falling. I wanna breathe it in. Well, tell me about those old friends, the nights I won't believe. Well, tell me about those parents, siblings too.
So he's removing some of this grassy dirt to try to keep my asparagus bed cleaner because the grass will overtake it. dirt. And he's gonna fill in these areas where we've been removing dirt. Yeah, so this really helps. Saves me out here digging with a shovel. And the ladies love it. Babe, are you out here to help too, my sweet girl? Watch out, ladies. So now I'm gonna come in here with my hand rake. Try to rake out some of these big chunks of It's a lot of grass. So thankful for that tool because that would have just been a lot. Now we're ensuring that we're gonna try to control a little more of the grass and weed population here by just removing it. Makes room for us, huh, ladies? Think about it. This really allows us to move dirt a lot faster. I'm able to get an asparagus bed done in a matter of about 30 minutes, where it would have taken me all day to do this by hand. Watch out, ladies. Watch out, CJ. Watch out, buddy. Well, this is going to do the asparagus bed wonderful.
You're going to put some topsoil on it?
No, we're going to, I can put topsoil. I was going to fertilize. I do have worm castings in the back of the car. I was going to fertilize and then put hay on it because it's getting ready to rain. That does work good. So I'm going to put in, fertilize with some worm castings. Trying to make sure I get anywhere I had plants.
Heading back over to the cold shoulder of Ontario, and I'm tracing your face with words to a page that I found on the plane. And the skies are clear in Barcelona, no storms ahead here. And the skies are clear.
Now with the wind, I don't really know what to expect. I might be laying all of this down in vain. We'll see if I can get it down. to where it'll make a difference and stay. We're expecting a lot of rain in the next week, so I figured it would be good to try to get it laid down now and fertilized. Did you get the mower fixed?
Check this out. There's a bearing here and a bearing here, and they were both fucking kaput.
They think it's so funny. Those chickens are scaring me. Getting right up under that skid steer. I don't even know where the dogs are.
Oh, your asparagus is looking good.
Yeah, this is a week later after we put down fertilizer and worm castings, and it's doing exactly what I want it to do. It's going to seed. So this is year one of establishing this bed, and I need all of this to go to seed so it'll drop it down and more will start to sprout up.
Looks dry. Yep.
Juice, dear.
Looks like something good. Some asparagus. Likes the tips.
Yeah. Thanks so much for watching. And as always, we hope that this encourages somebody to buy dirt, not diamonds. We'll see you soon.
In Barcelona.